What's up everybody? Welcome to Gamingtech. Some of you asked if there is an affordable LED strip. Well, I found this LED strip for $5, which is basically nothing. Svive is a brand of Complete, so I bought this unit from complete.se. Fairly simple box, slightly damaged from post-nord. It's been collecting some dust on the shelf, but it was the time to show it to you guys. We will be checking if it's worth purchasing. We'll see how it performs. Let's take a look what's inside. Just plastic housing. Painter's tape they use to secure the LED strip to that plastic frame. We have a manual, I suppose indicating how to pair, so it's not plug and use basically. Some screws and plastic housings to attach underneath the table to secure it. Normally this LED strip comes with adhesive tape. Powered by 5-volt USB. Svive Aurora is 2 meters long, Wi-Fi smart LED strip basically. That flashing light indicates basically that the LED strip is ready to pair. So we need to install an app called Smart Life. Let's see if we need to register. I'm 100% sure they're gonna ask that. Yep, that sucks. That sucks big time. After the registration process, they send a verification code to your email, which you need to write, and then you're inside of the app. Nothing else is mentioned here.
Zigbee, strip like Zigbee, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Let's try this one. Confirm.
I'm guessing here, I went into the lighting section and LED strip section, clicked on a random one there. It's flashing quickly. Now it's searching for it. They could have done better job on the manual for sure. So let's see how long it will take for it to pair. You have to use the Smart Life app. Basically, if we don't, we cannot use the product. If found. So let's see what we can do within this app. From what I see, you can set the color brightness. There are some preset modes. There's a timer function as well. Apparently it has support for voice control from Amazon Alexa and Google Home. It's a little bit slow, that's for sure. Do you see it's not changing directly the moment I start changing the colors? I mean, it works. For $5, I guess it's worth it. I compare to the Corsair's LED strip, which has phenomenal support, software wise at least. We cannot have different colors on the LED here, from what I see.
Takes a little bit time. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. We can't get red? What?
As you saw there, the app was lagging a little bit.
Quite strange.
If you take your time and change the preset slowly, it functions. I will place it against the table to see how much light we get. It's not very strong, that's for sure. I turn it off completely here.
2.
Now I'm pressing on the button and you will see the different presets. I don't think the presets are matching what's shown on the screen. Maybe the reading and relaxing one, but the rest absolutely not. For example, in this mode, we see some red color here, but other than that, there's purple, there is green, there is pink there. It's an interesting product, that's what I can say. That's the lowest mode, and that's the highest mode. Takes a little bit time. You have to have this LED strip underneath a table or reflect it against wall, because you can see the individual spots here, which wouldn't look that nice. And you should never face the LED strip against you. It's just the ugly look. I don't recommend it. Blue is not dark enough with that dark blue. As pink, red, more darker pink. I mean, for $5 it's worth it, but I saw one more thing. I checked some other people's reviews, people who actually bought the product. Apparently they claim that the product lasts around 5 to 6 months. So it's definitely worth paying only $5 if you ask me. Don't pay for full price. This mode doesn't match with that whatsoever. There's like teal color, light blue there, doesn't match. This is the self-adhesive tape. You can customize the lengths. There's markings on the LED strip for where to cut so you can get your desired length. Quite strong glue, but one thing for sure, I'm not sure how warm these LEDs get, but over time this glue gets weakened. So sometimes it can come off. I assume that's why they have these plastic housings with screws. And here I'm holding the button to reset the unit. For $5 I guess it's worth it, considering how long it will last. Other than that, it's not a product that I would pay full price. I'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Let's go, guys!